Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to make braided hairband with elastic at the end area, at the end of the band. So I'll be using this scuba material to teach you on how to make a braided hairband. This material is 17 inches long and 4 inches wide, and this is 8 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. This will be my elastic casing. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be folding this scuba material into two like this, then I'll sew from one end to the other end, leaving one part open. So I'll just repeat the same process on all the piece of fabric, including the elastic casing. I'll be sewing it into two like this. I'll be closing it up from one end to the other, leaving one part open. So I'll go straight to the sewing machine to do that now. I'll be using this 1-inch elastic band, which is I'll be using this 1-inch elastic band for this. I'll insert it into the elastic casing I made, which is 8 inches wide, and the elastic is 5 inches long. So what I'll be doing now, I've sewn the bands, the 4 pieces of band together. So I'll just flip it over. So I'll just flip over all the piece. I'll just insert you can use a stick, broom, anything to flip it over, but I'm just using a scissors. I just fix one mouth at one end of the band. I'll just flip it over. Okay, I just flipped up the 3 bands together. So what I'll be doing now, I'll match the edges together like this. I'll just place it on each other and match using my sewing machine. You can use your needle and thread to do this, but I'll use the machine to match on it, to stitch it up. So you just match it on it. Match it so it will be very firm. Okay, I've joined the 3 together. What we'll be doing now, I'll just use my machine to hold it up. I'll just use my machine to hold it up like this, then I'll braid. You just do it this way, then I will braid like this. You just braid it the way you make your braid on hair. Just braided it up like this, up to the end of the band. So I'll use my needle and thread to hold it up together. I've braided it up and I've stitched both ends. Okay, if you are not using an elastic band, you have to make the piece 36 inches long, then you join it at the end, then use a small piece to hold it up. But since I'm using an elastic band, that was why I said 17 inches long. Then I'll add an elastic band to this casing, which is what I'll be doing right now. So I'll just fix the elastic band inside the casing. Okay, I just fixed my elastic band to my casing. So I just loose up the elastic casing like 1 inch, then I placed it on the braided band like this. I just place it up. I have to loosen it up a little, then I place it like this and I'll sew it. I just opened it up and I placed it on it. Okay, you can see how it is now. So I'll just close it up together like this. Just put it inside, then I'll stitch on the band. I'll just stitch on it on the band. Make sure you use a matching thread. I'll just take the other end and I'll flip it over, making sure the sewn area is inward. Then I'll just stitch it on it. I'll just stitch it like this. I'll make sure the sewn area is inward. And how it is, the elastic made it easy to wear and is sizable to any head size. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, if you don't use elastic band, you have to change your measurements. I'll be dropping how to measure for this band without an elastic band. See you in my next video.